If I said not all tokens are created the same, would you agree? There are a lot of effects that let you create token copies of creatures, but how they're worded makes all the difference. So let's look at two different examples, Molten Echoes and Heat Shimmer. Molten Echo says, as this enchantment enters, choose a creature type. Whenever a non-token creature you control of the chosen type enters, create a token that is a copy of that creature. That token gains haste. Exile it at the beginning of the next end step. Heat Shimmer says, create a token that's a copy of target creature, except it has haste, and at the beginning of the end step, exile this token. To really see the difference between these two, let's cast a 1/1 Helpful Hunter and say that we picked cats for the creature type. Molten Echo sees it, and we will create a token copy of it. This copy copies all copyable characteristics, like its name, mana cost, color indicator, card type, subtype, super type, rules text, power and toughness, and its loyalty if it was a planeswalker. This copy from Molten Echoes will gain haste, and it will need to be exiled at your end step from Molten Echoes' delayed trigger ability. Now, let's cast a Heat Shimmer and target the non-token Helpful Hunter. You will copy all copyable characteristics of the Helpful Hunter, just the same as we did before. But Heat Shimmer is adding new copyable traits to this token. This token will be made intrinsically to have haste, and intrinsically have the exile clause. If we read Rule 707.2, we see copyable values or values derived from the text printed on the object and as modified by other copy effects. When a copy spell like Heat Shimmer uses the word except, the text following it is modifying the token in a way that's making those things copyable characteristics. To really understand why this matters, let's now populate both of our new tokens. Our token copy of the token copy of Helpful Hunter from Molten Echoes will not have haste, and it will not need to be exiled at the end step. Its haste is not a copyable characteristic, and the exile clause is a delayed trigger from Molten Echoes, not part of the token itself. But if we populate the token copy of the the 1/1 Helpful Hunter that Heat Shimmer made, it will have haste, and it will still have the exile clause, because those are copyable characteristics put onto the new token from a copy effect. I hope this cleared up the basics of copyable and non-copyable traits even slightly, and at least you can know to be on the lookout for the word except for all future games. And just for an example, if you have Jolly Balloon Man on the field and you pay 1, tap him, and create a token copy of a 1/1 Helpful Hunter, and then you populated that token, what would you wind up with, and would it need to be exiled at the end step?